Yo, what's good, y'all? Peace and love as always. First of all, shout out to you for your time and energy. I really appreciate you for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And share this video with someone else that might like it, okay? While you're here, I want you to remember to check out the website. That's www.TheSundaySchoolCollection.com, okay? Also, while you're here, click the link in the bio to see what Huffy Bikes has going on, okay? That is my Huffy affiliate link. So make sure you click on that. And if you're looking for a bike or anything bike related, check them out, see what they have, all right? All right, now that I got all that out the way, sit back, relax, enjoy the video. In this particular video, I'm riding around Harlem, New York City. I use a different camera angle this time, a different camera mount for the GoPro. So let me know what you guys think below in the comments, okay? Hopefully you like it. Pardon the rain. It gets a little bit wet later, but it's all good. I had to get out there and get some shots in, all right? Peace and love. Enjoy the video. Grab some popcorn. And until next time, all right? I love you very much. Peace.